Bonjour.
Everyone. Today we're diving into the beautiful language of French by learning how to talk about our family. Let's get started. In French, family is
Famille.
Let's learn how to refer to family members. For example,
Ton père habite ici? Non, mon père habite en Espagne. Ma famille habite en France.
these phrases will help you ask about someone's family and talk about where they live. Let's move on to describing relationships. For example,
Le mari de Julia est mexicain. Mon père a un chat. J'ai un animal de compagnie.
in French, possessive adjectives change based on the gender of the noun. For example, my father is,
Mon père.
because
Père.
is masculine, but my mother is,
Ma mère.
because
Mère.
is feminine. Let's see more examples.
Mon père. Ma mère. Ton frère. Ta sœur. Son fils. Sa fille.
Understanding these small but crucial changes can make your French sound more natural. Now let's practice. I'll say a phrase in French and you try to guess its meaning. Ready?
Ton père habite ici? Le mari de Julia est mexicain.
Great job. Keep practicing these phrases, and you'll be talking about your family in French in no time.
Merci beaucoup, à bientôt.